finally, looking at India's emerging past status, what do you think is the case for India's position on a seat at the UN Security Council and on having its own nominee or its own representative or someone controlling the IMF or some of the other world institutions?
You see, these are uh, dividends that are bound to come the way of India. Every sixth human being on the planet is an Indian. We are one of the fastest growing economies. We are the world's largest democracy. We are a nuclear power. We are emerging as one of the largest markets in the world. We are bolstered and backed by a civilization which is marked by not only antiquity but continuity, diversity, refinement, assimilation. There are great strengths in India. And we, I think, are also a country which has demonstrated that as the cradle of some of the world's greatest religions, in spite of the setbacks that happen occasionally, we can be the crucible of tolerance and coexistence, which has been the hallmark of India for 2000 years. So these are strengths. So at some point, in correspondence with the strengths that we bring to the table, these dividends must come. But two things I want to mention here. First, we need to get our house in order. In other words, continue the development and progress story and build on the dividends that we have in terms of a democracy and as a growing economic power. If we lose that and even marginally set back into becoming in some form of functioning anarchy, it's not enough. That is one. The second is, and this is a personal viewpoint, there is no need for us to often hanker for that recognition. Because how can you ignore an elephant sitting on your road as you pass by? A Security Council seat is imperative as much for the international institution as it may be of interest to India. A Security Council which today doesn't represent India as a permanent member is a body which lacks legitimacy. It is inadequate. It is a realization that if it has not already come, will come. And India needs merely state its case and work towards that end with dignity and self-esteem and with the assurance of its strengths, rather than believing that its absence in any way downplays or downgrades its intrinsic importance in the world today.